Good day everyone, this guide will show you the correct way to link your PHILSYS or national ID to the DSWD system. Just follow the steps I will show you and make sure all information you enter is correct and exactly the same as what appears in your ID. Let's begin. First, open this official DSWD website and enter the following information carefully. First name, middle name, your last name, date of birth. When you're done, click proceed and then allow camera access and face verification. Bring your phone a little nearer until your face fits perfectly, and when you see 2 check marks, this means your record is successfully linked. The last part, you are registered in PHILSYS. This means your national ID and PHILSYS number have been recorded and saved in the DSWD system. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.